In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text on the Gemini app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your Gemini account, enter a clear prompt, and get a translation in seconds, using a simple example you can replicate anytime. First, open your Gemini account. If you already use Gemini on your phone or computer, just launch the app or go to the site and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on the main chat screen. Front and center, you'll see a text box where you can type. This is where every request begins, and it's the space you'll use to talk to Gemini in plain natural language. Now, let's translate a phrase together. Click or tap into the prompt box and write a clear instruction. For our example, type, translate "how are you" into German. Keeping the wording direct like this helps Gemini understand exactly what you want. You don't need special formatting. Quotation marks are optional and just help separate your phrase from the instruction. Double check for typos so the system knows the exact text to translate, and then press enter to send your prompt. After you submit, give Gemini a moment to generate the response. You'll usually see a brief loading indicator, and then the translation will appear. For this example, you'll likely receive a natural German equivalent of "how are you?" Gemini may also offer variations or brief notes on formality, which can be helpful if you're addressing a friend versus someone in a more formal setting. If you want, you can reread the response to make sure it matches the tone you intended. If the answer takes a moment, that's normal. Network speed and server load can affect how quickly results come back. If you ever see an unexpected result, you can refine your wording slightly but keep the same structure. Clear, straightforward instructions like translate "how are you" into German tend to produce the most accurate outcomes. That's really all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, type your translation request in the prompt box, press enter, and wait for the result. Once you're comfortable with that flow, feel free to explore. You can try other phrases, switch languages, or ask for alternatives if you want a more casual or more formal version. The key is to keep your prompts simple and specific, just like we did here. Thanks for watching and enjoy translating with Gemini.